Welcome, pharma professionals. Today I'm diving into a key aspect of modern pharmaceutical development, Q8 pharmaceutical development. This is a game changer in our industry. So what exactly is Q8? Q8 pharmaceutical development is a guideline set by the International Council for Harmonization, focusing on pharmaceutical development. It's all about ensuring high-quality medicines through a systematic approach to development. The aim? To minimize variability and enhance quality control. Imagine having a detailed map for your drug development process. Q8 provides that map by emphasizing design space, real-time release testing, and a control strategy. This means you can predict and manage variability, leading to consistent quality and performance. But let's talk about how you can harness these principles in a practical, efficient way. That's where PharmaMax Solutions comes in. Now, introducing the PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. This isn't just another tool, it's a complete ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. From development to distribution, PharmaMax ensures efficiency and peace of mind every step of the way. With PharmaMax, you get an integrated approach that aligns with Q8 principles. Think about it. A single platform where you can manage everything from development stages, quality control, to regulatory compliance. It's like having a personal assistant for your entire supply chain. And if you're still unsure or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. They're here to help you navigate the complexities of pharmaceutical regulations with ease. So, discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us at contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.